Trains, one of the most revolutionary inventions in human history. But where did it all begin? In 1804, the first steam-powered locomotive was built by Richard Trevithick in Wales. It wasn't fast or fancy, but it marked the start of a transportation revolution. By the mid-1800s, railways were booming. They powered the Industrial Revolution, connecting cities, transporting goods, and transforming economies worldwide. Then came the 20th century. Diesel and electric trains took over, making travel faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Today, we have high-speed wonders like Japan's Shinkansen and France's TGV, reaching speeds of over 300 miles per hour. From humble steam engines to cutting-edge technology, trains have shaped our world in ways we still rely on today.